A very good afternoon to you all. Welcome to the third chapter of history in 6th standard, and the third chapter name is the Harappan civilization. Now we will discuss in this chapter the Harappan civilization, means how the Harappan people were having the life and how the some of the things of Harappan civilization we got, and by doing the excavation, by doing survey of archaeological, that all things we got from the Harappan civilization will come to know in this lesson. And what are the different ornaments, how they used to have a different types of structure, different types of getting things by doing excavated. So all this we will learn in this chapter. So first we will see Harappan civilization, then we will see housing and town planning, how they were having a town planning in those time, seal and pots, different types of things they have made in the form of seal and pots. The great bath, means it is a type of historical sites, or we call as a Mohenjo-daro. We'll see that life in the Harappan civilization, how the life was there of Harappan civilization. We'll see that trade, how they were doing the trade from one country to another country, or different routes they were using for doing the trade. Reason for decline, so there was some decline in that period that we are going to see in this lesson. So let us discuss the first information, that is Harappan civilization. Archaeological excavation first began in 1921 CE at Harappa in the Punjab on the bank of the Ravi. Means Ravi is not a place, Ravi is the river where Harappan people used to stay. Why? Because they were doing some of the occupation over there. They were hunting the people, they were not people, they were hunting the animals actually for their food purpose. But over there in 1921 in the near Punjab, means that Ravi river is near Punjab actually. So in 1921 they have done a archaeological excavation. Archaeological excavation means they have find something from the underground of the land, means उन्होंने कुछ ढूंढा और फिर उसको ढूंढने के बाद उन्होंने कुछ उसका यूज किया, means they have founded something of Harappan civilization. That is how this civilization came to be known as Harappan civilization. It is known as a Indus civilization. So they also called as Indus civilization because they have founded something. They have something they have got it from the undergrounds of doing the archaeological excavation. Means उन्होंने खोद के कुछ निकाला and they have did something. That excavation were also carried out at Mohenjo-daro. So it is a place where you will find the different structure is there at Mohenjo-daro. It is a site actually, a place about 650 kilometers to the south of Harappa in the Indus Valley. So in the Indus Valley you will find this place is there, Mohenjo-daro, and over there that is a great hide and seek type of this structure is there. A different carving is there over there you will find. There was a striking resemblance between the remain of structure and artifacts found at two places. So there are some things we got like structure and artifacts of person who made that things, artifacts. उन्होंने कुछ बनाया अपने handmade से. Similarly, remains have been found at Dholabira, Lothal, Kalibangan and Daimabad, etc. So this is the place they have found of this Harappan civilization sites, and you will see there is a map also given over here. So like just look at this map. So they have given some of the places where they have found the artifacts, means उन्होंने एक site find किया और उन्होंने अपना things बनाया. You will see Dholavira is there, it is Lothal is there, Mohenjo-daro place is there. Over there you will, it is also called a Great Bath, and over there Satluj river, it Harappa over there you will find. So there was the place actually where the Harappan people used to stay, and they have found many things over there. And this index they have given sites of Harappan civilization, modern city they have done, present international boundary is there, even they were using the trade from one area to another area. So this all places were there. So Tibet, China, Nepal. So this was a place actually they were doing the export. Next we will see, generally the same characteristics are seen in all the places of Harappan civilization. This includes town planning, road, construction of houses, drainage systems, seal, pots and toys are burial systems. So these are the some places where the Harappan people have did, means उन्होंने कुछ काम किया, उन्होंने town planning किया, means they have found the roads actually, construction of houses were different, drainage of system was totally different. So they were having a different burial customs to show. So they were having some different characteristics of their Harappan civilization. Their house was totally different as compared to our house. The houses and other structure in Harappan civilization were mainly built with baked bricks. So they were having the houses and the structure were totally different of Harappan civilization with having a baked bricks. In some places, unbaked bricks and stone were also used for construction. So they were using different construction to have their houses. The houses had room built around a central courtyard. So they were having totally different rooms built by the central courtyard. Means you will find different remains of the structure of their houses were totally different. The houses had wells, bathroom and toilet. So these were the things they were using and they were having those time. There was an excellent drainage system in which baked earthen conduits were used. The street had covered drains built with bricks. This shows great concern regarding public health. So they have also think about the public health and they have made some of the good things for the use of public actually of Harappan civilization. The streets were broad and laid down in a grid pattern. So they were having grid pattern means एक circle type जैसा उन्होंने अपना street बनाया. Houses were built in the rectangular blocks created by them. So houses were also built by the rectangle shape they were having. So this is the Harappan civilization well. You can see the well which I have made. It means they were having a different structure actually because they were using with the bricks and they used to have. And you can see the seals also. Seals are having different structure by using their artifacts hands. So they have given a different shapes and shades actually on that seals. So they have founded this. The towns were divided into two more sections and each section separate fortification. So which are the two section they have divided? We'll see. First is seal and pots means which have they equally made something means उन्होंने अपना कुछ बनाया. So we'll see in the next video about seal and pots.